what's going on, everybody? This is Sean Evans checking in from an all-black room with a table full of hot sauces, and you know what time it is. It is time once again to reveal our Season 7 lineup, the cast of characters that will be helping us terrorize celebrities week in and week out. And for those of you who are new to the family, this is the NBA draft of hot sauces. It's out with the old and in with the new. After hours of analysis, taste testing, we've whittled down our roster to 10 hot sauces that will be full court pressing our guests each and every week. Over the last few seasons, we've been gradually cranking up the heat, and this season is no different, particularly in the middle of the lineup. But our emphasis this time around, we wanted to make every single sauce count in terms of heat and in terms of flavor. So we have a wide variety of peppers, from habanero to ghost, Carolina Reaper, Trinidad Scorpion, Pepper X, but we're also representing styles from Louisiana to Mexico, India, and back. So without further ado, let's introduce you to the new cast of characters. It's the Season 7 lineup, and I'm so excited for number 1, the classic. It's long been a dream of ours to make the perfect entry-level sauce. Of course, we tackled the 10th sauce on the board, the hottest with the last dab, tried to make the perfect midway with Los Calientes, but Hot Ones is a show for everyone, so we wanted to make a sauce for everyone and tackle what's long been a dream of ours, the tastiest entry-level sauce in the land. This is the classic, made with our friends Noah at Heatonist and Smokin' Ed at Puckerbutt. It's our take on the vinegar-based Louisiana-style hot sauce genre, but the secret ingredient is a blend of fresh chili de arbol peppers and apple cider vinegar, some layers that you don't usually see in an everyday hot sauce. It's been months in the work, hundreds of iterations, but finally it's here on the table. Such an exciting moment. As always, we'll be testing it out on our celebrity guinea pigs here on the show before we can get into your hands, but this will be available to the public in the fall. The fall. November, maybe. On to number 2, and welcome back to the house, Humble House. San Antonio's Humble House is back in the fold with a guajillo and red jalapeno number that'll have you singing, I like it like that. Our hot sauce guru Noah calls it Mexican sriracha, and he's not wrong about that. Red jalapenos, a little savory bite of fresh garlic, a kiss of sweetness from the guajillo peppers, and you already know how I feel about squeeze bottle technology. All right, at number 3, it's Butterfly Bakery representing the great state of Vermont in the 3-hole, coming through with one of the most interesting flavor profiles that we've ever had on Hot Ones, thanks to Maplewood smoked onions. Say that with me. Maplewood smoked onions. It's smoky. It's tangy. Take a look at the label. It is farm to table. This sauce is great on a bagel with cream cheese and smoked salmon. You can thank me later, Spice Lords, but we can't stop the train just now because coming up in the 4-hole, our cleanup hitter, Small Axe Mango Habanero from Small Axe Peppers, bringing some Southeast Asian vibes to the proceedings. You might recognize them as the same maker who made our Bronx Green Market sauce in Season 5. Here they're cranking things up a couple notches with habaneros. You know I'm a sucker for that sweet heat thing, so here you have that mango sweetness, you have that habanero smoke. Welcome back to the party, the BX, and at number 5, holding it down, Los Calientes, another of our collaborations with Heatonist. Autumn may be upon us, Spice Lords, but the summer lives on. A little Los Calientes and you'll feel like you're on a beach in Tulum, cracking one open with a shirtless Burt Kreischer. Smoky Serranos, tart tomatillo. To be back in Malibu. Anyway, the train moves on, and now at number 6, we welcome to the lineup Clark and Hopkins Asam, bringing some northern Indian flavors to the mix. This sauce is really cool if you're looking for something different. It has the warming notes of tamarind and mustard seeds that you get from a good curry, but also some serious heat with the ghost peppers and the 7-pot primo. It's giving me flashbacks to my fall curry challenge with Rhett and Link, but I'll be damned if it ain't delicious on some wings. All right, starting to heat things up here at number 7. Cully's Firewater, which comes from New Zealand, has the words fucking hot written right on the bottle. If there's not a Pray for Sean hashtag on the screen right now, I think it's safe to say that Hot One staff has officially stopped caring about me. And speaking of not caring about me, look who's back. Look who's back. Holding down its spot at number 8 is our old friend DeBomb. I feel like the day we retired DeBomb is the day when Hot Ones fans are just gonna start cutting up their Spice Lords t-shirts and burning effigies of a bald guy in a hoodie. I do not want that day to come. I do not want that smoke just yet. So DeBomb holds its spot at number 8. But look it, we've got a new one at number 9. From a creepy-ass clown in Season 6 to a Medusa-like Spice Vixen in Season 7, we're keeping the number 9 spot weird as ever with Burns and McCoy's Ex Horesco, straight out of Fort Collins, Colorado. As you know, we've had plenty of good times hitting our guests with Carolina Reaper body blows over the years, but this time around we wanted to spotlight a new one of the super hots, and that's 7 Pot Primo, which averages more than 1.5 million Scovilles. If our guests haven't had their taste buds completely burned off at this point, they might be able to pinpoint some thoughtful ingredients like oak-aged apple cider vinegar and yuzu juice. All right, Hot Ones fans, it's the top of Spice Mountain, the spicy piece de resistance, the bottle-shaking moment of truth. The last dab Redux rides again with its diabolical combination of chocolate Pepper X and Pepper X. And here is the exciting news. For months, people have been clamoring, how do I get my hands on the last dab Redux? If you have a subscription box, then you got your bottle, but thankfully, there is now a large enough Pepper X crop for the Last Dab Redux wide release on October 11th. Mark your calendars, Spice Lords. October 11th, the Last Dab Redux available for wide release. And I have another exciting date to announce. October 4th, Season 7 of Hot Ones premieres. We're back on October 4th. October 11th for the sauce. October 4th for the show. Sometime in the fall for the classic. November, maybe. Thank you for rocking with us through Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, Season 4, Season 5, Season 6, and now into Season 7. We'll see you next week. Over. Out. I didn't break anything.
Medieval Times is an amazing turkey leg. And their tomato soup. Fuck. These ones, it's fine until you talk.
It's a good thing we made an interview show around this, you know?
1,000,002. 1,000,003.
That's pretty good form, Bill.
Thanks.
Where'd you get that cool shirt?
You didn't hear? Hot Ones merch. It's available now.
I thought you only wore Where's Waldo shirts.
I used to wear Where's Waldo shirts. One.